Device basic structure. On the back side, there are HDMI out, decom port, ground post, fuse, power cable port. On the left side of the machine, are power switch, USB ports, and DVD driver. Turn on the power switch on the left side. Press on or off button on the operational panel. Waiting until enter the prop selection mode. According the exam demand, to select the tab of examination on touchscreen to enter the ultrasound scan state. On the top of the screen are date, time, prop information, scan mode, hospital information, and patient information. In the right side, it shows the current parameters of the device as followed: gain value, frequency, dips, frame rate, dynamic range, and so on. Below is the image storage area, which can be read, shared, viewed by cursor selection. Button function introduction. The buttons on operation panel are: adjust knob, can be used for extending image under convex probe or linear probe. Dips knob, adjust the current display dips in real time. Focus knob, can be used to adjust focus number and position by pressing and rotating the focus knob, and the focus distance can also be adjusted on the touch screen. P1, P2, and P3 keys. Customize keys. User can define the functions in the setting interface. Patient button. Create patient information. Input the information through the keyboard. Report button. Enter report editing status to check print preview or other operations on the touch screen. Print button. Print image after connecting extra USB interface printer. Comment button. Full screen comment via the keyboard. Position by the cursor. And check button. And check for current patient. Body mark. Body mark key. Press the cursor key to call out the cursor to select. 2B and 4B display. The device enters 2B and 4B display modes. It can be adjusted by update. System setting button. Used for the settings of language, hospital, measurement, and other information. Zoom. Press this button to zoom the whole image. Elastography. Mainly used to diagnose the degree of softness and hardness of tumor, so as to analyze the benign or malignant of tumor. Eye work. To call out patient information and store image information. Spatial composite. Improve diagnostic quality during difficult examinations, for example, fatal liver. B knob. Press to enter the 2D scan mode. Rotate to adjust the gain value. C knob. Press to enter the color Doppler mode. Rotate and adjust the color gain. Through the touch screen, parameters such as blood flow speed, wall filtering, and so on can also be adjusted. PW knob. Press to enter the pulse Doppler. Rotate to adjust the spectral gain value. The key parameters such as sample gate, angle, and display layout can be adjusted through the touch screen. M knob. Press to enter the heart rate check mode. Update button to refresh. Display layout and speed can be adjusted through touch screen. Continuous Doppler. Enter continuous Doppler mode with a phased array probe. Tissue Doppler. Analyze of cardiac myocardial motion under phased array probe. Energy Doppler. Entering energy Doppler mode. Update button. Update mode when switching heart rate, pulse Doppler, continuous Doppler mode. Harmonic image. Mainly used for image optimization. Spatial. One-click optimization of the current. Spatial optimization key. One-click optimization of the current image. Exam management. Used to select the inspection probe and inspection mode. AVI. Save the current movie. Save button. Save the current image. Freeze button. Freeze and unfreeze the current state. Caliper. For quick measurement. Calculation. Call out the measurement software package for select. Cursor. Hide or recall cursor button equal with the right click. Exit button. Delete button. Exit current function or status. Clear button. Clear comments, measurement information on screen. Confirm. Confirm button equal with the left click. Set button is used to confirm equal with the left click. Key operation. Adjust the 8-band gain on the upper right of the operation panel. Right is increase the signal. Left is to decrease the signal. The gain adjusted according to requirement. B knob. It's a B mode option and gain adjustment. Left rotation. Gain decrease. Right rotation. Gain increase. Press down to return or enter the B mode. The parameters can be adjusted by the corresponding operations under the touch screen during the scanning process. The parameters on touch screen can basically meet the current image adjustment requirements. For example, frequency, speckle separation, spatial composite, dynamic range, linear density, frame correlation, and so on. Doppler mode adjustment. On the blood flowing examination, press the C knob to enter color Doppler mode. Rotation, C knob to adjust color Doppler gain. Right rotation to increase. Left rotation to decrease, to ensure the blood flow is full. Simple frame adjustment. Press Set button to change into dotted line. At this moment, move the trackball to change the size. Press Set button again to change into solid line. Move the trackball to adjust the position. The blood flow effect, scale, deflection angle under the linear array probe, adjusted through the knob on touch screen. When just examine the blood flow without flow direction, to enter the energy Doppler state through PDI button under the C mode, the same adjustment method with color Doppler. Pulse wave Doppler. When examination the blood flow spectrum, press the PW knob to enter the pulse wave Doppler state. At this moment, the sample volume appears in the image area. Rotate sample volume button to adjust the sample volume. Generally, the size is about 1/3 of the blood vessel diameter. Through the corresponding spectrum angle knob on the touch screen to adjust the sample angle. The angle value is about 60 degrees. The sample angle is parallel with the vessel wall. Press the update key under the spectral state. Appears spectrogram. At the same time, to adjust the corresponding PRF, baseline, and other parameters on touch screen to get a better spectrogram display. To return, place the PW knob or the B knob again. Image save. The device supports static and dynamic storage. Static storage. Press the Save button to save the image you need. The image is stored in the bottom of the screen directly, available for freeze or real-time status. Dynamic storage. Get a satisfied image. Press AVI button. Begin save the video. Press again to end. Basic settings. Press Freeze button. Press Setup button to display the setting interface to set the system language, hospital name, storage format, storage path, and so on. Among them, need to restart to change the system language successfully. Other operations. Puncture guideline. Under B mode, press the Bulbs button on the touch screen to get the puncture guideline. Adjust the angle and display dips by rotating the corresponding angle and dips knobs on touch screen. Then press the Exit button to exit the puncture mode. Wide view image. Click the wet view image on touchscreen to collect the image. After the operation is over, click End button to finish the inspection. Trapezoidal image. On the linear array probe, click Adjust button. Then the image will appear trapezoidal mode. Distance measurement. Press the caliper button. Then appears the measurement cursor. Move the cursor to the 0 position. Then press Set button. It appears another cursor. Move the trackball to the end and press the Set button. The measure result will be shown on the right side of the screen. Obstetric measurement. First, select the obstetric track in examination area. Press the calculation key to display the measurement menu on the left side of the screen. The measurement options such as BPD, HC, AC, FL, and so on will appear. Cursor will also appear in the measurement area after selection. BPD as an example. Move the cursor to the 0 position and press Set button. It appears another cursor. Move the trackball to the end and press the Set button. The measure result will be shown on right side of the screen. Expected date of delivery and the gestation age of the fetus will be measured. Please check and adjust the parameters by user menu. Shutdown. Please press the on or off key on the operation panel. Wait until nothing displays in monitor. Then turn off the power switch on left side of the machine. If the machine will not use for a long time, please disconnect the power cable and pay attention to against dust and moisture. Attention! Please clean the surface of the machine with dry cloths regularly. Please clean the surface of the probe with soft gauze or paper regularly. It is strictly prohibited to use the machine in damp environment. Please do not use the machine where there is a lot of dust or PM. It is forbidden to use hard objects to hit the probe. It is forbidden to plug the probe in or out when the machine is still working. Restart the machine. Should wait more than 2 minutes after shutdown.